Man, is it a blessing, bruh? Blessing, bruh.
Blessing, bruh.
Remember days standing at the store. Now I'm on the road doing shows. 6 million squads, man. Back then I had a plan. Yeah, yeah. Remember I ain't had no fans. Now I got fans in Japan. Yeah, yeah. What they gonna tell me now? I stand up as a man. Yeah, yeah. I did it all by myself. Yeah, I can do it again. Yeah, yeah. I was all by myself. Yeah, yeah. Remember I ain't had no fans. Now I got fans in Japan. Yeah, yeah. What they gonna tell me now? I stand up as a man. Yeah, yeah. I did it all by myself. Yeah, I can do it again. Yeah, yeah. I was all by myself. Now I ain't had no friends. They wanna give me nothing.
Yes, sir, Steve. It's your girlfriend's favorite sneakerhead, your boy D Will, stepping that debonair lifestyle ATL, man. And what we got here today, I'm speechless, man. Some of these shoes, they got me speechless right now. Man, I got the shoe of all shoes. One that's gonna take me out the game. Actually, it did take me out the game because my pocket is hurt because of these. I don't care because I got them. I'll eat ramen noodles for the rest of the month. I don't care because I got the shoes. Probably wondering what in the world is he talking about. I'm talking about that Grail. You heard asking, what's a Grail? You know what I'm saying? Y'all throwing lingo out, man. What's a Grail, bro? Probably saw my comment in my boy Sneak Peek with Josh video when I told him what a Grail was. He said the Grail was that shoe about shoes, that one shoe that you wanted. Maybe you was too broke to get it back in the day. Your parents couldn't afford it, or maybe it sold out when you was younger. Whatever the case may be, but you finally get a chance to get that shoe. Man, it's a blessing. I finally got my hands on my Grail, and I'm gonna show y'all what the Grail is in 5, 4, 3, 2. I apologize. You know, this is very unprofessional. Like every time I get a video shoot, I get phone calls in the middle of the shoot. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Hello. You got a call from who? Yeah, I can take a call. I can hold. Oh, while I'm on hold, man, y'all go ahead. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, man. If you like what you're seeing, like the video. Also hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified anytime I drop a video. Oh, it come back. It come back. Hello? Y'all set the call. Oh, what's up, young hater? Oh, what's up? What's happening? What's up, Mr. Fake Shoes? I see you in that lab, man. you still reviewing on fake shoes, man. You still reviewing on fake shoes. I know. Oh, you got me fun. Man, I'm gonna tell you something, bro. You tripping because what I'm about to reveal to the people right now is my what's Grail. A Grail? Show me what a Grail is. Your shoes probably fake anyway. You know how you do it by fake shoes. You probably rent those shoes, huh? Yeah, I heard you rent shoes. Well, you better pay your bill because they'll repo your kicks. He just don't know, y'all. He just don't know. Like, man, FaceTime real quick. Hold on. Let that shoe jump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Voila. Oh, man. I know you see it, boy. I know you see the shoe, bruh. You know what I'm saying? He always hate on me. Y'all, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of my own cousin, bro. Like, what you mean a hate all the time, y'all hater? You know your boy D will come with that heat every single time. Now, what's in the box, you might ask? Let's find out, man. Oh, and you probably wonder what this is, bro. Young hater, you probably wonder what this is, bro. This is the Air Jordan Retro 3, that black cement. This is my Grail, my favorite Jordan of all time. Like, this is the Jordan that, bro, honestly, this is Jordan that made me interested in wanting to invest in Jordans, bro. So that's why it's my Grail, man. As a matter of fact, let me put the phone down real quick. I'm gonna sit up real quick, young hater, for you, bro. So you already know you got that classic red Jumpman on that gray tongue. You know what I'm saying? Black laces, real cool. Oh, disclaimer, I did wear these in my own foot reviews, so that's why it's kind of laced a little different. Just a little FYI. The leather is amazing, man. It's A1. Look at the quality, man. You got that classic elephant print that really set it off. And then you got that black to the back, that white going towards the front as far as the midsole goes, and then you got that outsole. You know what I'm saying? Like, check it out, young hater. Come on, bro. Look at it, man. I know you on FaceTime. I know you see it, man. Just check it out, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's probably backwards on your end for my YouTube viewers, but you got that Nike. You know what I'm saying? On the outsole, man. It's real cool.
Okay. Your shoes still fake. Yeah. Y'all about to trap on. Yes, sir. Skis.
And that was the review for the Air Jordan Retro 3 OG, the black cement. Yes, sir, man. Whoa, I'm still speechless, man. I can't believe I got a pair of black cement, man. Life is good right now. Like, these shoes so dope. I might just quit, bro. I might just quit buying shoes, man. For real, for real. Anywho, man. So, on foot review coming right now in 5, 4, 3, 2.